Hey friends, this is Ryan Day Castle. I live in Brooklyn, New York, and I work in luxury fragrance. I have a new favorite product I want to just share with you guys today. It is from Effect Naturals, and it's called Milk and Honey Ultra-Moisturizing Whipped Body Cream. So here's what it looks like. Very generous tub, and of course, everyone's always interested to see the texture. Like I said, it's whipped. And don't mind me, I done put my fingers all up and through here. I've only had it for a week and it looks like that. But that's the extent of my obsession. I have to be honest, I didn't buy this product, my husband did, from his good friend, the founder, Whitney. And I gotta give a shout out to you, girl. Thank you so much for creating this line, because now I'm an avid fan as well. But he put it on one day after his shower, and I think I just followed him like a puppy dog. I said, what is that you just put on? It smells like he just baked some cookies and then bathed in the cookie dough. It's that good. It is so delicious. I may or may not have tried to bite his shoulder to taste if it was edible. Spoiler alert, the company says it's really not supposed to be, but it won't hurt you. So it's just that good. So it says milk and honey, but I'm getting notes of shea and cocoa butter as well, and also coconut. So it's just really down to earth, homey, and wholesome, and it smells natural, and it feels like when it goes on as well that it really is. So number one, me working in the fragrance industry, I'm very sensitive to scents. So I really love and I'm obsessed with products that make me feel just warm and gooey inside, and that is number one exactly what it did. I knew before I saw it that I smelled it, and it was like I have to have whatever that is. But number two, because it's a moisturizing cream, you want it to actually moisturize. But I want to do that, before and after quick for you. I'm gonna raise my skirt just a little bit so you can see the kneecaps. But you might be able to tell which side I put the moisturizing cream on. It's this one, and it's glistening. As you can tell, this one's a little ashen and dry and not really reflecting the light. But this one is doing all those things and more. So that's just the effect of this moisturizing cream. It is creamy and whipped, as you saw in the tub, but it goes on quite gel-like and glistening. So if you're already a fan of a product like Vaseline cocoa butter gel, this does that. It's great for going out, but also right before bed, because just watch out, you're gonna smell edible and delicious. So I've got to get my own tub now. He doesn't even want to share with me anymore, so I can't wait to try the rest of the line. And I just wanted to tell you guys, it's my new obsession. Good luck, grab you some.